Hello, everybody. My name is Mike Singletary. We're gonna do a quick product review of a light that I just bought. This retailed for about $13 at my local Walmart, and here it is. It's the LitezAll Brite Band rechargeable headlamp. The evolution of light, it says. LitezAll. It's a band of light. Lighting and battery specifications. Mode, three modes: white, green, red, and red flashing. 370 lumens. The runtime for white is 3.5 hours. The runtime for green is 12 hours. The runtime for red is 12 hours. And red flashing 8 hours. So this has I guess, lithium ion battery, 3.7 volt. It charges to 100% in 3 hours. So I have I'm kind of up there in age, so I'm kind of not losing my vision, but my vision's kind of getting blurry. I guess as I'm getting older, I'm needing reading glasses and things like that. So I have a lot of time, I have a lot of problems like seeing in the dark. So, well, when it gets nighttime, I have trouble seeing in the dark. So I've started buying the little headlamps, and the ones I bought are from Harbor Freight, and they're kind of cheaply built. There's some at Walmart too for kind of like really, really cheap, but I wanted to try this out. It looks more professional. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. LitezAll. I didn't bring my knife, but this seems too difficult to get into. So, what are these clamps? Okay, so you get a charger, USB-C. You get the light, the lamp. Okay, there's where you charge it. Ooh, there you go, look at that. Right off the bat, there's the green, and there's the red flashing. Pretty straightforward. Came with these little clips, I wonder what they're for. Let's see. Oh, so the clips are for a helmet. So if you actually have like a really difficult type of job that you need a hard hat, these are the clips for the hard hat. And you get 4 of them. Well, let's try it out. So I'm not gonna adjust anything, I'm just gonna put it on. Feels pretty sturdy. There you go, look at that. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I have it with my baseball cap. Fits snug. I didn't adjust it at all. I'll probably adjust it later. Look at that. Okay, Type-C charger. It's the little port is on the bottom here. And the power button is up here on top. It has a really nice little cushion back here for your forehead. And yeah, the strap is adjustable, stretchy, very nice. It's plastic, but it feels like a tough plastic. We'll see how it goes. Feels good, simple. I can't imagine using red or green. I'll probably just use the white. You know, so it says rechargeable battery included, but I mean, of course, it's going to be included if they give you a charger. It has to have a battery in it. This product is rechargeable. Please charge fully before first use to ensure optimum performance. Plug the full-sized USB plug of the included charging cable into any USB power source. Adjustable head strap. This product contains a non-replaceable rechargeable lithium battery. Attempting to open the product and replacing the rechargeable battery will result in permanent damage and void all warranties. I mean, it's brand new. I don't see myself opening it up. Plus, once they give you this, it's a given that you can't replace the battery. Register your warranty online. 1-year warranty. To prevent serious injury, including temporary or permanent loss of sight, do not stare into the light, shine light into eyes, or focus the beam. Well, it looks pretty good. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, let's do some field testing of the new light that I bought. So I have turned off most of my porch lights and all that stuff. I've left one just so that it's not complete pitch black. But yeah, let me turn the camera around and we can go ahead and try to. Okay, so this is without the lamp. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's kind of windy, so there you go. I know it doesn't really do it justice, but lamp on, lamp off, lamp on, lamp off. Oh, that's the green, the red flashy. Well, the green is kind of strange. Doesn't give off any light. It just makes it green. Distance wise, it's okay, fairly decent. For it being a headlamp, well, there it is. I mean, I work a lot by myself. I can imagine this being very annoying for somebody if you're working with more than one person. I mean, working with people, you flash them in the face more than anything. But yeah, field tested, it's pretty good. I don't like the way it cycles between all the lights. It would have been good to have like a dedicated on and off instead of having to cycle through all the green, red, and blinking red. Just on off, and then another button be like the option for all the other colors. But there you go. Let's see, it takes a while to go from on to off, unless I'm not doing it right. Because there one is no, nope. You have to cycle through all of them. Well, pretty good little light. 180 degrees of light, 370 lumens. All right, so this is the LitezAll Brite Band rechargeable headlamp, 4 mode. this was the unboxing. We hope you liked it. I'll keep on making these if you all keep on watching. Thank you.